In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your catalog to Distrokid. If your music is currently with another distributor and you want to switch without losing streams, playlists, or valuable stats, follow along and I'll walk you through it clearly and safely. First, set up your Distrokid account. Head to the Distrokid sign-up page, pick the plan that fits your needs, and create your account. This gets you into the dashboard where you'll upload everything later. Next, gather key information from your current distributor before you change or remove anything. You'll need the ISRC code for every individual track, the UPC or EAN for each release, the original release date, your artist name exactly as it appears on platforms, your final audio files, and your cover artwork. You can usually find all of this inside your current distributor's dashboard. The ISRC is the crucial piece that tells streaming services it's the same recording. Keeping the exact same ISRC preserves your Spotify streams, Apple Music stats, playlist placements, TikTok links, and YouTube music data. Double-check spellings, punctuation, featured artist formatting, and capitalization so they match perfectly across platforms. Now re-upload your music to Distrokid. On the upload page, add your song files and use the same cover artwork you used before. Enter the exact same song titles, your artist name exactly as it appears on streaming services, and the original release date. When you reach the ISRC field, click the option that says you already have an ISRC and paste the original code for each track. This step is the backbone of the transfer. Be sure the audio files are the same versions and the track links match your existing releases. After you submit, wait for the new version to go live. Do not delete the old release yet. Give the services time to connect everything behind the scenes. Look for the Distrokid version to appear on Spotify and Apple Music, and then watch for streams and data to line up on the same release pages. Spotify often updates within 2 to 7 days, while Apple Music can take a little longer. Patience here prevents gaps in your catalog. Once you see that everything matches and the Distrokid version is fully live, go back to your old distributor and request a takedown of the previous version. Only remove the old release after you've confirmed the transfer is correct. That's it. By collecting the right info, matching your metadata exactly, and waiting for the new version to connect, you can move your entire catalog to Distrokid while keeping your momentum intact.